What's good, YouTube? In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to take a picture using your S Pen on the Galaxy S22 Ultra. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. So, one of the nice surprises with this year's release of the S22 Ultra was the inclusion of the much-loved S Pen, which was traditionally found on the Note series. And of course, one of the fan favorites features of the S Pen is the ability to take pictures using the S Pen as a shutter control. So to begin doing so, the first thing you want to do is take the S Pen out of the slot from the bottom left of the S22 Ultra. From there, the default feature for holding down the pen button, which is the pen button at the side of the S Pen, is to actually trigger the camera app. So we'll trigger the camera app here. And as you can see, the camera app is triggered. From there, the default function for the pen button is to trigger the shutter. So if we depress the pen button here, you'll notice that the shutter button on the camera is triggered. If you'd like to change this, what you can do is access the pen settings menu, and you can do this by hitting the create note or the pen menu when your S Pen is deployed. From there, you want to jump into settings and you want to hit air actions. And as you can see, the default is hold down the pen button to camera. If you find that your S Pen isn't triggering the camera when you're holding down the pen button, you might want to change this option back to camera. So once again, everyone, in order to activate the camera and take pictures with your S Pen, what you want to do is take your S Pen out and hold down the pen button. From there, the camera app is triggered, and then you can press the pen button again to take a picture. So there you have it, everyone, just a quick tutorial on how to take a picture using the S Pen for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. If you like this kind of content, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.